Do you sometimes feel stuck between a rock and a hard place, struggling to identify where your business needs most attention? Perhaps you feel like you've exhausted all your options when it comes to your brand's visibility, customer awareness of your brand and its superlative virtues, competitiveness, and keeping up with all the latest trends that your ideal customers demand. Do you want in on big brand know-how? The insider secrets that brands such as Dove, Virgin, Harley-Davidson, McDonald's, and Amazon leverage successfully every day, but without the hefty investment they have the resources to play with. Hi, my name is Lorraine Carter, founder of Persona Branding and Design. If you answered yes to any of these questions, then come to our half-day Branding Accelerator Masterclass, where I'll unlock for you the key secrets that these big brands know and use to great advantage so you can apply them to your business too. And the great news is that these brand strategies are not the exclusive reserve of big global brands. You can draw on my 20 years plus expertise working with both national and international brands, many of which are household names. This masterclass is perfect for you if you're a business leader, entrepreneur, business owner, or manager. It's for you whether your brand is a service, product, corporate, or institutional brand, B2B or B2C. I've worked with brands small and large, so I know firsthand exactly what's required to build a strong customer attracting brand to become a market or industry leader, no matter how big or small the organization or the market conditions. I've systemized the whole brand building process so that now big brand know-how is fully accessible to SME, SMB businesses without big agency fees or heavyweight CMOs. The Persona brand building blueprint systems are also used on the Economist Group platform, so they've been independently validated. At the end of the Branding Accelerator Masterclass, you'll have the know-how to build an incredibly strong foundation for your brand, because branding is the bedrock foundation of your whole business. So this half-day Branding Accelerator Masterclass helps you ensure your brand strategy is effectively underpinning and providing the direction needed for the growth of your business, because this is what enables you to increase your profits. Come to our live half-day Branding Accelerator Masterclass so we can help you reevaluate and build your brand into a powerhouse and make the next 12 months really count. You'll also get 6 25 to 35 page e-workbooks that'll deepen your brand building expertise and application skills so you can get results faster. Want to know what previous participants think? Click the link for more details and secure your spot now. I look forward to meeting you.